when couples try for a pregnancy and pregnancy is not happening, so they do not know when to approach a fertility specialist. So if you are married for more than 1 year and your wife's age is less than 34 years, then it is the best time to see a fertility specialist to know the cause of infertility. But if your wife's age is more than 34 years and periods are painful, irregular, and she is a long-standing patient of diabetes and thyroid, then you should see a fertility specialist within 6 months of your marriage.
Kadorbar mang tengka janggyang dorbar tawan kejela Meghalaya kalakut no haka arpu praterik ubnai leber arhajar arpulai. Haka bagi dikhot janggyang dorbar kletai sani halor ki babuan ki mat ki bakta ek jela. Unong alam keseng VPP ubulang ru UMLA kanong krem constituency uba Ardent mela basayumaj ulabu jengkeli haka bedai bat ka karkhana penmi do bilat ka maumlo cara semen limited MCCL. Banakaliang Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip bagi sorkar kam syamlala ban pen KM ya ke MCCL. Watla keladap penlut lais pak sanpau kelur tengka ban pen KM biang ya kene ke karkhana. Uloang banaka benta ke baha kamiat juginong trei bat kepala tengka. Ke sorkar kelawat kilat klenti ban let ke joint venture naga benta ban peniat ya kene ke karkhana. Ndek sorkar kampat cim satya ya kanu-kanu karai halor kani. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bagi dantang lai teli kilat kata banle ke joint venture kabar ban kenco pisa bat kebalai kelong ban syukhang damno ke karkhana. Nakaliang uba asnyau balang dhar ulapan tip bagi sorkar kadang ap yang kikot kisla ban IT deka company ke bakwa benetre bat ke sorkar jela ban penyat lang ya kene ke karkhana. Bat ke sorkar konsorsium mekarai hadian bagladak ban bishar ya kikot kisla baro.
Private company owned by the state government has been a bull rise for the people of Sorab for a number of years. So, in my opinion, sir, I feel that to go for a joint venture, it will put this company at risk. And so, it will be better if the government can have a kind of a comparative statement to compare between MCCL and these private cement limited that are there in Giant Hills. The benefits that the people derives from the MCCL, the local people I mean to say, and the benefit that derived from those company cements that are there in Giant Hills before they come to any conclusion. So may I know whether the government is ready to conduct that exercise or not? So while the state non-tax revenue for 2023 expected to reach to rupees 742 crore. So may I know, can the government infuse the required equity of rupees 200 crore to revive the MCCL and maintain its identity as the public sector undertaking of the Meghalaya government?
Since 2006 till date, 350 crores has been infused into MCCL. And in the last 5 years alone, 100 crores has been infused. And mostly it has been to pay off the salaries and also the dues of MCCL. Sir. So government has in numerous instances has been investing and infusing money precisely because of the reason that was mentioned by the honorable member, that obviously there is a special consideration for MCCL and we are concerned about its employees. But while we look at the finances, sir, it's not just the MCCL. We have almost close to 1,000 crores that has to be infused into MECL. We have other issues which were mentioned yesterday. Regarding teachers, there will be a lot of investments being made there. So there are numerous expenditures that the government has to do. And hence, in the last many years, as I said, 350 crores has been infused into MCCL. And we are not able to revive it. And hence, we are pushed to the point where we need to look at options on what to do. Because obviously, we don't want to close it. We like to see that it would survive. But for government to continue investing in it, may not be possible because we have got numerous other expenditures to make and a lot of investments to be created, to be invested in. So all these factors has to be looked into the matter. And that's the reason why we went for this entire option of PPP mode, where we would be able to get private investment. And we have gone for an expression of interest. We did not get too many people. Whoever we got, we tried to be as flexible as possible so that we were able to explore the options. But obviously after seeing the papers and documents, and only once we are convinced that we'll be able to see this process move in a right direction, which is the private investment, only then will we take a decision. So there's no decision been taken yet. We are exploring the options because it is very difficult for the government to continue investment. So to answer in short, sir, it is a huge challenge. And therefore, in the interest of MCCL and in the interest of its employees and in the interest of the overall state government's finances, we have to explore options. And obviously the option of government investing also in it is an option we kept. We kept option number 1, where government has to invest, option number 2, which is to have a PPP mode, or option number 3, sir, which is the most difficult option, which is to close down MCCL.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.